Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere in the world na nanonood ka ngayon ng presentation na 'to, welcome. So, kung matagal ka nang naghahanap ng legit na online job, pero lagi na lang nauudlot, you need to watch this. I'm going to show you how people are now earning from home teaching English online, kahit wala kang experience. Okay, so let's get started. I'm not going to waste any of your time. So this is for you if you're looking for a permanent work from home setup. Kung sawa ka ng mag-work outside dahil ayaw mo nang mag-commute, pagod ka ng pumila sa mahabang pila ng MRT, this is for you. And if you're also looking for a full-time or part-time job. And this is also for you if you're a student na gusto mong i-support yung pag-aaral mo. Kasi sometimes, dahil adult na rin tayo, nahihiya na tayong humingi ng mga pang-project sa mga parents natin. So, ganyan din kasi ako before. And mostly, ang lahat ng mga naging student namin or mga naging trainees namin dito ay mga student. And proudly to say na halos lahat sila naka-graduate na. And also, kung beginner ka, kung wala kang experience, kung ngayon ka palang magkakaroon ng idea what is an ESL, this is also for you. Okay? So, let me give you work from home advantages kung bakit halos lahat ng tao ngayon ay nagsiswitch na online. Una, you will save travel time, food, and transportation. So, hindi mo na kailangan gumising ng mas maaga dahil kailangan mong maligo, mag-prepare to go to work, right? And of course, hindi mo na kailangan magbaon and pamasahe araw-araw. And yun nga, as I mentioned earlier, hindi mo na rin kailangan pumila ng mahaba sa mga terminal. And pinaka gusto ko dito is hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa office kahit bumabagyo. Naranasan ko 'to before, as in bumabaha na, but kailangan ko pa rin pumasok. Kasi if not, baka mapagalitan ako ng boss ko, something like that. So, yun yung isa sa naging motivation ko kung bakit naging ESL teacher ako before. Okay? So, alam ko yung alam ko yung feeling na gusto mong magtrabaho online dahil gusto mo na lang din makasama yung family mo. But sometimes hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. And natatakot ka kasi baka hindi ka makapasa. Well, hindi kita masisisi kasi ganun din naman ako before. Kaya nagawa ko or ginawa namin yung training na 'to para makatulong pa sa ibang tao na katulad ko na gustong makapasok online as an ESL teacher. So, eto yung mga goals namin. Una is to provide a work from home opportunity that will help you achieve your goals. Okay? We are or we will guide you and help you land a job online. Hindi ka namin pababayaan. And of course, one of our goal is to train people hanggang sa maging ready ka na makuha yung dream job mo online. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng learning pace. Yung iba, 1 week lang ready na, yung iba, 1 month. So, hindi ka namin iiwan. And kapag nakita namin na ready ka na, dun ka pa lang namin hahayaan na mag-demo dun sa company na i-recommend namin sa'yo. Okay? So, who are we? Sino ba kami, 'di ba? Bakit mo ba kami pagkakatiwalaan? So, the name of our business is JMG Work From Home Facility and Virtual Assistant Services. We are founded since 2020. So it's now running 5 years already. And nakapag-train na kami ng halos 30,000 trainees. And of course, para mas makita mo na legit, we are DTI and BIR registered. So, pwede mo siyang i-check online sa DTI and pwede mo rin siyang i-verify sa BIR para mas sigurado ka. See it for yourself. Okay? So, konting background muna kung ano ba yung ESL if wala ka pang idea. So, ESL stands for English as a Second Language. Ibig sabihin, magtuturo ka ng English language sa iba't ibang student around the world. Okay? In short, you will be an ESL teacher. But you don't have to worry kasi yung lessons naman ay scripted and it's also provided. So, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa pa ng mga lesson plans kasi nga provided na siya. And open na rin siya for beginners and even wala kang experience. Okay? Schedule mo, very flexible. 24 hours, pwede kang mag-set ng schedule mo. Ikaw ang bahala. Day off whenever you want. Hindi mo na kailangan magpaalam kasi wala ka namang boss na susundin dito. And kapag gusto mong mag-day off, okay lang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-med-cert pa. Sounds good? Okay. Ano ba yung mga magiging student mo? Ages 4 to 60. And yung mga tuturuan mo is Japanese, Taiwanese, Vietnamese, and kung ano-ano pang nationality. Okay? Eto, rate per lesson. So, magkano ba yung kikitain mo as an ESL teacher? Nagre-range siya ng 50 to 150 pesos per 25 minutes. So, that's 100 to 300 pesos per hour. Okay? So, meron siyang sudden and book classes. And estimate na pwede mong kitain is 10,000 to 50,000 monthly. Yes, that's very doable. Okay? So inside this program, you'll get live and recorded training on how to pass the demo lesson confidently. Okay? Meron din tayong hands-on training hanggang sa maging ready ka na mag-demo. Para pag nag-demo ka, siguradong papasa ka. Okay? And of course, iga-guide ka rin namin kung paano ka magki-create ng introduction video. Kasi kailangan yan kapag mag-a-apply ka na. Okay? Or mag-a-apply na tayo kasi kasama mo kami. And guidance din, even habang nagde-demo ka, kasama mo pa rin kami from start to finish. Okay? Kaya hindi mo kailangan mag-alala na baka in the middle of application, iiwanan ka namin. So, hindi. And of course, you'll also get free Forex training kapag nagtuturo ka na. So, if you're not familiar, search mo na sa YouTube or sa Google, you'll know how good Forex is. Okay? So, and ayun, because of this step-by-step guide, a lot of people who trusted us or earning now using this lifetime opportunity na meron sila, which is yung pagiging ESL teacher nga nila. So, katulad na lang ng ibang teachers na to, ayan. So, pwede mo siyang i-pause yung video na to para ma-check mo kung magkano ba yung kinikita nila monthly. Para ma-check mo rin na, ay, totoo pala, na possible na kumita ako ng ganito kalaki as an ESL teacher. Okay? Let me also show you our group chat here. One moment. Ayan. So, sila yung mga graduates na, meaning nakatapos na sila. And then, this one. Here, as you can see, ayan, merong mga team tayo. And ayan, marami sila dyan. Those are, ayan, North Luzon. So, ito yung mga teachers na taga North Luzon. Ito naman yung mga taga Visayas. So, ayan, makikita nyo dyan na meron tayong community of teachers na talagang marami nang pumasa. 'Di ba? So, sa susunod niyan, ayan, kayo naman yung papasa. Ayan. So, marami pa yan. Hindi lang yan. Marami pa dyan. Like, pag sinearch natin yung team, ayan, Hosea, Titus, ayan. And kapag sinearch natin yung teachers, ayan, North Luzon, Visayas, South Luzon, ayan. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. And, ayan, marami tayong mga teachers. Okay? So, ilan lang 'to sa kinuha ko sa kanila kasi kung marami 'yan na ipapakita ko sa inyo baka abutin tayo ng ilang oras dito, okay? And one more, let me show you some of their, um, feedback, ayan. So, puwede niyong, i-follow yung ating Facebook page and dito makikita niyo, ayan, ayan. So, kayo na lang din ang magbasa kasi kapag binasa ko yung lahat, aabutin tayo ng ilang araw. Okay. Ayan. So, lahat yan pumasa na. 949 reviews. Yung ibang teachers hindi pa nakapag, review diyan. Yung mga naunang-unang-unang dating-dati pa na nakapasa. Okay. Feel free to check their reviews online. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. So, ngayon, magkano ba ang value ng lahat ng 'yan? So una, yung lifetime opportunity na makukuha mo kapag pumasa ka na, katulad nila, ang value nun is 25,000. Actually, priceless nga yan, eh. Kasi lifetime opportunity yan. Even mawalan ka ng, current work ngayon, meron kang matatakbuhan. Mag-login ka lang, 'di ba? Magkakasahod ka kaagad sa next cut-off. So, yung forex training na makukuha mo, that's 30,000 ang value nun. And, kapag nandito ka sa'min, meron ka pang ibang makukuhang training opportunity. Katulad na lang ng, AI training or, VA, meron din kaming VA. So, kapag nangailangan yung client namin, so we're going to endorse you kung kaya mong gawin yung task na yun, something like that. So, ang value nun ay 25,000 pesos. So, ang total value ng lahat ng puwede niyong makuha sa training na 'to is 80,000 pesos. But of course, hindi naman ganyan kalaki yung kailangan niyong bayaran, okay? You will only pay 15,000 pesos for 6 months installment kapag kumikita ka na. Meaning, hindi ka magbabayad hanggang hindi ka pa sumasahod bilang ESL teacher. Meaning, magsisimula ka lang magbayad ng 1,000 pesos per payday kapag sumasahod ka na. So, after all the guidance, trainings, at may work ka na, that's the time na makukuha namin yung payment for all the efforts na ibinigay ng team for you. Dahil, hindi naman basta-basta yung mag-training, lalo na sa style ng training na gagawin namin for you. Para ma-sure namin na makaland ka ng job and you will start earning online. Okay? And while you're paying, syempre, meron ka pang continuous training to improve you as an ESL teacher, to give you tips kung paano ka pa mas kikita ng malaki, something like that. And assistance. Kapag nagkaroon ng problem sa account, like for example, na-deactivate, so syempre bibigyan ka namin or tuturuan ka namin ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. And ayan, account management, lahat ng tanong mo inside, kami ang bahalang sumagot diyan. And of course, additional opportunities katulad na nga nung, forex and, nung VA na puwede mo pang makuha in the future, okay? But of course, ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na free forex training. Kapag sinearch niyo yan or kung meron ka ng idea, I know for sure na alam mo magkano ang enrollment fee kapag, mag-aaral ka ng forex. Okay? So, are you excited to earn? while at home? So here's your next step. We have a registration fee of 999 pesos. But if you are a person who is an action taker, meaning yung mga taong kumikilos agad kapag may nakitang magandang opportunity. So that's the type of people na hinahanap namin at gusto naming matulungan. So if you will register today, we will give you a 50% off discount, special offer dahil magte-take action ka agad. And you will only have to pay 499 pesos. So para ka lang nag-milk tea with your friend. But this time, in exchange sa milk tea mo for that day, skills ang makukuha mo. And you know what? Skills are better than diploma. Dahil ang skill, magagamit mo yan to generate money over and over again. Kapag nasa iyo na yung skill na yan, wala nang makakakuha niyan sa'yo. At magagamit mo na siya to earn money. And kapag nag-register ka na, ang training details natin ay of course flexible pa rin. Monday to Friday yan. Meron tayong 5 p.m., meron din tayong 7 p.m. session. So kung saan ka pwede, dun ka a-attend. And pwede mong matapos ang training in 5 days kung quick learner ka. Ibig sabihin, in span of 5 days, pwede ka nang mag-start or in span of 5 days, pwedeng nakapasa ka na as an ESL teacher. Okay? What else? Meron ka rin makukuhang certificate after the training. And, of course, paano ka ba magpo-proceed? Okay? So, I know excited ka na makaland ng job as an ESL teacher or soon VA and yung Forex pa, di ba? So, you need to go back to the person who gave you this video. Tell that person you wanted to proceed. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask him or her. I'm sure sasagutin niya lahat ng questions na meron ka. And ask her to add you to our group chat if eager ka nang makapag-start ASAP. Take note, Messenger only. Okay? Messenger lang tayo. Wala tayong Telegram or any other platform. Messenger lang. And mode of payment natin is GCash lang and UB. Kapag in-add ka na sa GC, make sure na yung mode of payment doon ay same ng mode of payment na to. If not, magtaka ka na. Baka scam yung kausap mo. Okay? No to other MOPs. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the person who gave you this video. Ayun lang. See you on training.